Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to crochet a linen stitch with 4mm crochet hook. Let's get into the video guys. So to start with, it is always the slip knot first. So make a slip knot first. So there we get the slip knot, and now chain. Here you can chain as much as you want. As long the chain is, the width the design gets. So chain how much ever you want, like how much ever width you want, the size of the width, according to the size of the width you prefer, you can chain accordingly. So guys, I have chained a few. These are few chains, and now starting from the second last chain from the hook, this is a hook, that is the first chain, and that one is the second chain. So insert the hook, grab the yarn, and now we have 2 loops left. Just pull the yarn through the 2 loops. There we get the single crochet, and now chain 1. And now you have to skip 1 chain, and in the next chain make a single crochet. Skip 1 chain, and into the next chain insert the hook, grab the yarn, and we have 2 loops left. Just pull the yarn through the 2 loops and chain 1. So this is basically the single crochet. So again, skip 1 chain, and in the next chain make 1 single crochet, make 1 single crochet, and chain 1. So again, skip 1 chain, and in the next chain make 1 single crochet, make 1 single crochet, and chain 1. So again, skip 1 chain, and into the next chain make 1 single crochet, make 1 single crochet, chain 1. So this one is the pattern. You have to repeat it guys. Continue. I'll meet you at the end. Continue for the rest of the row. So guys, I just completed the row, and I'm at the last stitch. I'm left with 2 stitches. Now at the last stitch make 1 single crochet. At the last stitch insert the hook, grab the yarn, and make a single crochet, now chain 1. This is row 1, and now chain 1. Turn your work, and now into the chain 1 space, of the before row. Over there you have to make 1 single crochet. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, we have 2 loops left. Pull the yarn through the 2 loops and chain 1. So now again into the next chain 1 space over there, of the before row. Over there make 1 single crochet, and chain 1. So now again into the next chain 1 space over there, chain 1 space over there, insert the hook, grab the yarn and make a single crochet and chain 1. So now again with the next chain 1 space over there, next chain 1 space over there, insert the hook, grab the yarn and make 1 single crochet and chain 1. So this is the pattern, guys. Repeat for the rest of the row. I'll meet you at the end. So guys, I just completed the row and now I'm left with 2 spaces. So the first space I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 1, and the last space, it is not the space, it is a stitch. Just find the stitch over there, insert the hook, insert the hook, insert the hook inside the stitch, just grab the yarn and make 1 single crochet and chain 1 and turn your work. And now again find the chain 1 space of the before row, insert the hook, grab the yarn and make 1 single crochet, chain 1, and now again into the next space, chain 1 space over there, into the next chain 1 space over there, insert the hook, grab the yarn and make 1 single crochet, chain 1. So again find the next chain 1 space over there of the before row, chain 1 space over there, just insert the hook, grab the yarn and make 1 single crochet, chain 1. So now again this one is the pattern, guys. You have to repeat it for the rest of the rows. I'll make few more rows. So guys, I've just completed the row and now I'm at the end of the row. So find the stitch over there, just insert the hook, grab the yarn and 2 loops left on the hook, pull the yarn through the 2 loops and now again chain 1 and turn your work. So this is the pattern you have to repeat for the linen stitch, guys. So now again find the chain 1 space over there, insert the hook, grab the yarn and you have 2 loops left, pull the yarn through the 2 loops, again chain 1. So again find the next space over there, chain 1 space, insert the hook and make 1 single crochet, chain 1 and again into the next spaces. So this one is a pattern, guys. Repeat. I'll meet you after I complete few more rows. So guys, I just completed a few more rows of linen stitch. This is how it looks. It's so simple for beginners. You can do it for blankets and so on. I hope you like the stitch, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my videos. Happy crocheting, guys. See you in my next video.